gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in negative MACD. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we also remain in negative MACD. We did see it diverge. We're still below the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $1,841. As with the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a diverge. As with the trade idea, I'm trading GLD. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry is at $159.63. My sell target is at $173.63. My stop loss is at $156.12. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $180.15. My sell target for it is at $163.36. My stop loss is at $184.11. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, gold futures has a 36% chance to climb between 0 to 6%. To the downside, it has a 45% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%, and an 18% chance to fall between negative 12 to negative 19%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.